all, welcome back to our channel. Today's we are going to learn how to uh, create a lead assignment role. So, as the word lead assignment role already suggests that whenever the lead is created, that lead will be assigned to particular user for queue, right? So, what happens is when you create a lead, when user create a lead and there is no assignment role, then the lead will be assigned to that particular user by default. But if you want to assign that specific lead on the basis of some condition, that lead should be assigned to some particular user and particular queues. So you can create a lead assignment rule and Salesforce will do the rest. The lead will auto assign to the particular users and queue on the basis of some rule criteria which you define during the creation of lead assignment rule. So let's see how we can do it, how we can achieve the automatically assignment of that lead, right? So let's see. Let's click on the setup and here just search for lead. You will see the lead assignment role. The lead assignment role here, you can see this is the standard one which already created. We don't need to be worried about this. We have to create our own lead assignment role. So lead assignment based on city. You can create. You can put it as active so that the lead assignment rule will run, right? You can see after you create your rule, select it from the assignment rule list and add rule entries. If your organization uses a record type, the assignment rule determines the record type when lead is created manually or imported without a specific record type. When no assignment rule applies, the record type of the lead owner is used. When the default lead owner is queue or queue owner default record type is used, right? So means when you are having a record type in your lead object and you are creating a lead. So at the time of the creating a lead, you will get the option to us run that lead assignment role. You have to check it. If you don't check it by default, the lead assignment role will be worked on the basis of the standard format, right? When so the user who is creating the lead, that will be a lead owner. But if you are having the lead assignment role that you want to perform on some specific record type, then you have to put that checkbox as true. So let's firstly create a lead assignment rule. So this is the lead assignment rule we are going to create. And then open that lead assignment rule and you can see the rule in place. So here if you see the order information here, Salesforce evaluates each entry in order and tries to match the input criteria. As soon as a match is found, Salesforce processes the record and stop evaluating the rule entries for that record. So suppose if you are having a more than one criteria in your assignment role, and even suppose one criteria got already met, so Salesforce won't evaluate other criteria. It will act on the first criteria and it will assign that rule on the basis of that criteria. So let's create a sort order one. Here you can see criteria are met, so you will get the field. Here you can select the field and put the condition here. Here you can see a different formula evaluate to true. So if you want to put the lead assignment rule on the basis of any formula, so you can create a formula, and if the formula returns to true, then the lead assignment rule should be work, working, right? So here we are choosing the criteria met. So we will be put the condition on the city. If the city is equals to Delhi, then we can choose the user from here, assign to first user. Here is the email template. So suppose if you create some email template and If you want to notify that user once the lead is getting assigned to that user, so you can choose the email template. So that email will be sent to that assigned user. So user will get to know, okay, that lead is assigned to me and I have to act on it. So this is something you can achieve it by selecting the email template. But before that, you have to create an email template. We will look it forward how to create an email template and how we can use it. For now, we are assigning to this user if the city is Delhi. This option is nothing but if you want that the condition it should be this, but you don't want to assign to the any of the user, any of the queue, but this lead should be assigned to the user who has created that lead. So you can put that checkbox as checked. But I want that lead should be assigned to particular user on the basis of some criteria where the city is Delhi, then the assign this lead to the this user. Let me save it. Save and new. Let me create a different other rule as well. I'm creating a new rule where I will give him the order as two, selecting the same city equals to Jaipur. Then the user should be this, and I'm clicking on save button. So make sure once the lead assignment rule got created, then this should be also activated as well. If it is not activated, then the lead assignment won't work. Second thing, let's go and check if your rule is working or not. So let's create a lead here. Let's give this lead Delhi, Delhi lead, right? So if it is Delhi, then this should be assigned to first user, right? Let's give the company name TCS. Let's save it. If the city is Delhi, okay, my mistake. I think I have to delete this and create it again because we haven't kept the city value. Let me give Delhi, 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 lead, and then city should be Delhi, and then save it. Then it should be assigned to which user? First user, but it is assigned to Sujata. Why? Why? Because Delhi lead second, because you can see this is the checkbox assign using active assignment rule was not checked while creating the earlier lead. You have to check this because you're working with a different record type. So make sure that the different record types should be running the assignment rule if you want. If you don't want, then the assignment rule should be running for the different record type, then you don't need to check, and the lead record will be assigned to that particular user who is creating a lead. But if you want that assignment rule should be triggered on the basis of some condition for your respective record type, then you have to check this assign using active rule assignment. Let's save it. Once you click that, Now you can see the lead got assigned to the first user details. So lead assignment rule worked properly and lead got assigned. Similarly, you can test it by creating any other rule. I will not show you for this chatbot. You can do the test. You can perform the test on your side as well and let me know if it is working or not. So this is how the lead assignment rule works. So lead assignment rule can be assigned to any user. Lead assignment rule can be assigned to any particular queues, right? Queues is nothing but the group of users, group of roles if you want to assign that to you. So later, in the later session, we will see how to create a queue, how to use that queue, how to create an email template, how to use that email template. But for now, this is how the assignment rule works. I hope you understood and you will do more practice, you will get more information. If you are having any issues while creating these things, you can reach out to me in comment section and I will sort that doubts for you. So thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Let's meet into the next session. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.